Are you also managing language learning class for student? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for language learning challenges. So here I am managing a language learning student courses, and I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries on regular basis from the students and their parents regarding fee structure, duration of the classes, certificates and much more. Handling each of the inquiry manually is a time consuming task, so I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by building an amazing WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills, which is going to handle all the WhatsApp inquiries 24/7 for me and also going to automate the responses effortlessly. For your business, if you also want to learn the entire process of creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I am going to show you step by step that how we can create a WhatsApp chatbot for language learning challenges. So I am running a language learning classes for students and adults as well. And I'm providing multiple weekly challenges, tests, learning kits and much more. I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries from the students as well as their parents, also some of the teachers regarding the courses and the challenges. Manually handling each of this inquiry and message is a time-consuming task. So I have decided to automate it with the help of a WhatsApp chatbot that I am going to create without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is how my flow is actually going to look. Before moving forward towards learning how to create this flow by ourselves, let me first of all show you that how this bot is actually going to work. So whenever on the WhatsApp number of this learning classes, someone is going to send a message. Let's say, hello, send me the details. As soon as the message is sent, we got an instant reply as a customer. Welcome to Lingual Leap. Make language learning fun again. May I know your name before we go ahead? So let me provide a name as a customer. Let's say best user. As soon as I provided the name, I got an instant reply again along with the name this time. Awesome best user, we offer weekly language challenges to help you learn Spanish, French or German, one fun task at a time. Ready to join? So we have 3 easy buttons over here. We can select any of the button. Let's say I'm going to select join a challenge. When I've clicked on the button, I got 3 other options to select my language. Choose your language to start the challenge. Let's say I'm going to select French over here. As I've selected the French language, congratulations best user, it is saying you are enrolled in French weekly challenge. Every day we'll send you the task and here it is providing day 1 will begin tomorrow. Want to preview the challenge schedule? When I'm going to click on this view schedule button, I got my schedule for French class. Want a free trial class? When we are going to click on this button, we got a message where we can book our free trial class in order to enroll for the course. Or if I'm going to click on the button download lesson kit, I got the PDF document of the learning lesson kit which I can download easily, and here in this way my bot is actually going to work. It is going to solve all the inquiries of the customers, students and clients. So now without any further wait, let's start learning the process of creating this WhatsApp chatbot for our language learning challenges step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab in your browser, you need to type pabbly.com/chatflow, which is going to take you towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, you can find 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, for that you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple WhatsApp chatbots according to your business requirements. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here we can find the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed and the credits that are remaining with us. Also the WhatsApp number that we have added with Pabbly Chatflow. To add your WhatsApp number and to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, we have 2 processes. For that you have to click on this add WhatsApp number. We have 2 processes over here, WhatsApp connect method and manual token connect method. We have already created tutorial videos in detail for each of these processes that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. Also for you, I'm going to attach the video link in the description of my video, so you can learn anytime from that. Okay. Now, if you have multiple WhatsApp numbers, you can save the numbers by creating separate folders on your dashboard in organized format. Also, apart from creating the flows, we have multiple other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see, we have inbox, contacts, team queues where we can assign the chats to team members, templates where we can create multiple templates. We have broadcast by using which we can send bulk messages, flows, AI assistant, settings and get help. Now we have created separate video tutorials for each of these features and are uploaded on our YouTube channel. So any of the feature if you want to learn in detail, you can just watch the videos from our channel. Now let's start creating the flow, that is our WhatsApp chatbot for language learning challenges. And here you can see we have the option of flows. Let's select that. Now here we are on the flow section where we can manage all the inactive as well as active flows. Over here I have 3 active flows and these are my inactive flows, as you can see. Okay, now to create a new flow, let's click on this add flow button. Over here a flow is going to be created in front of us, and here we have to first of all provide a name to the flow. You have to understand that the bot which we are going to create for our business is going to be based totally on the flow which we are going to prepare over here, because flow is going to decide the chronological order of the messages, that what message should be sent next according to the response of your customers or your client. So the bot is going to be based on flow. First of all, let's provide the flow name over here. Let's say the name of my flow is WhatsApp chatbot for language learning challenges. After giving the name to my flow, I'm going to start the flow. And how you want to start the flow, either you can go for selecting the templates, then when you're going to send template message to your customers or clients, when they're going to send the reply, then your flow should start, or either you can select the keywords over here. So as in the beginning of the video, I have shown you that when I was receiving certain messages from my customers or from my clients, my flow was starting and my bot started responding. So in that way, you can enter the keywords over here, certain specific keywords, that when you're going to receive certain words from the customers or from the clients, then your flow is going to start. But if you want that when you're going to receive any kind of message, whether it is a word, a symbol, a text or a paragraph, then your flow should start for everything. Then you can use a specific regex for that. Regex is regular expression which is going to identify the messages for you and start the flow automatically. So the regex which I'm going to use over here is this. You can also use the same regex if you also want to start your flow every time when you're going to receive any message. As we have started the flow, now I want to ask the name of my client or the customer, that who is chatting with me. So for that, I'm going to select action, and here I'm going to ask a question like this. Now I'm going to connect this ask question step with my flow, and here I'm going to send the message to collect the name of my customer as welcome to Lingo Leap, make language learning fun again. And here I'm going to ask, may I know your name before we go ahead? And to make the name bold, here I'm going to add the star at the start and at the end of the name. So whichever message you want to make bold, you can make it bold by adding the stars like this. I want to collect the name, so I'm going to select contact custom field as full name. As I've selected full name in the contact custom field, whenever I'm going to receive the reply from my customer or my client along with their name, that name is then going to be automatically added in contact custom field section of Pabbly Chatflow, and further I will be able to automatically use the same name in communicating with that same customer to make my communication personalized. Now I'm going to select the format of the name, that is going to be text. If you want to provide the number of reattempt chances or the validation message, you can also select that over here. Now as I'm going to receive the name of my customer, so I'm going to provide them the options that what they want to explore in the text plus button format. So here I'm going to send them the message as awesome, and here I'm going to use the contact custom field, that is full name, along with the $sign. So here if I've used $sign in front of this contact custom field, that is full name, this particular detail has become variable, that is dynamic, and with each and every new response according to every new customer, this data is going to replace, and over here in the place of this full name, and over here the name of that customer will appear when they are going to receive the message. And now I'm going to enter. We offer weekly language challenges to help you learn Spanish, French or German. I'm going to make these languages bold, one fun task at a time. Ready to join? And now I'm going to provide some buttons to my customers or to my clients that they want to explore. They can select any of the button according to their interest. Join a challenge. Then the second button is going to be to download the lesson kit, and the third button is going to be free trial class. These are the 3 buttons, and for each of the 3 buttons, I am going to send separate message if the customer is going to click on the button join a challenge. So then I'm going to send them the message as, again with button and a text, choose your language to start the challenge. Then I'm going to provide the language Spanish, German, and the third one is French language. 3 options we have provided. Now for each of the 3 options, again I'm going to provide other messages. For Spanish, I'm going to send a message as Congratulations again, full name. You are now enrolled in the Spanish Weekly Challenge. Every day we will send you a fun task to practice your skills. Day 1 will begin tomorrow morning. Want to preview the challenge or schedule? So here, if they want to preview, so I'm going to select view schedule option. And if they are going to click on view schedule, then I'm going to send them again their schedule. So then here to send the schedule, I'm going to use an image message. So I'm going to select media over here. The media type will be image. Here, in order to insert the image, you can enter the URL over here or drag or upload the image directly from your computer. I have the schedule for Spanish class. I have uploaded it in the image format in the message as the image is uploaded. Now here I'm going to enter the message, want a free trial class. And I'm going to provide the button as book free trial. Okay, now if they are going to book their free trial, so then I'm going to send them that how they can book their free trial. For that, I'm going to send them again a text plus button message. Book here, and I'm going to make it bold first of all. I have provided the link of how to book the class for free trial. We'll send a confirmation once you have booked. So here this is the message. Let's keep saving the flow. As the flow is updated, let's move forward. Now, the first part is ready. Second one is if the customer is going to select German class. So then again, I'm going to send them a message as congratulations, again full name with a $sign. You are now enrolled in German Weekly Challenge. Every day we'll send you a fun task to practice your skills. And here we have the entire message. If they want to view their schedule, again I'm going to attach a button to view their schedule. And if they are going to click on this button, I'm going to send them the schedule for German class in the image format. So let me upload the German schedule. The image is uploaded over here. And now again, I'm going to enter the caption, want a free trial class. And here again, I'm going to use the same button to book a free trial. If they are going to click on this book a free trial, so again I'm going to connect this button with the message where I'm providing the link. So the second part is also ready. Now let's move forward towards the third part, but before that let's save the flow to keep it updated. The flow is updated. Now for the French, again I'm going to send the same message. If they want to view their schedule, so I'm going to send them the image in the media format, and I will enter the same caption over here and the same button. If they are going to select this button, so again I will connect this message with the message where I'm providing them the link to book their class. Okay, so the first part of the flow is completed. Now let's move forward towards the second part of the main menu. That is if my customer wants to click on the button download lesson kit. So I'm going to provide them their lesson kit. Okay, this time it is going to be a document because I'm going to upload a PDF document over here. The PDF is uploaded for the schedule for the lesson kit, and I'm going to enter the caption as download your beginner's lesson kit. It includes vocabulary sheets, quizzes and grammar tips. Okay, now if my client or customer is going to click on the third button, that is for free trial class, so again I'm going to send them the link for that. So here we have the link to book their free trial class, and the flow is completed. Let's simply save the flow once again. As the flow is saved successfully, now I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp and we will check whether the flow which we have created is running fine or not. So I have opened WhatsApp, and this is the number of Lingo Leap learning classes for the language courses. And here I'm going to send a random message as a customer or as a new student to the WhatsApp number of this business. Okay. Hi, I want to enroll. As I've sent this message, you can see that I got a reply instantly. Welcome to Lingo Leap. Make language learning fun again. May I know your name? So this means our bot is running perfectly fine. It is working. So you can also very easily create this amazing bot for your business, for your language learning challenges. I have used some basic features, but you can create your bot in more customized and personalized format by using multiple other elements as well. So I hope this WhatsApp chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.